What it do, gang? It's your little homie, Warren G Body. And we still up in the rock shop. All right, welcome back, gang. Welcome back. Real quick video, man. Something I've been wanting to do since we got this thing fired up and going. I want to do, we're in the middle of getting this all wired up and all of that stuff. So be on the lookout for those vids. But yeah, gang, we got to get it cleaned out. But there's something I've been wanting to do ever since we got this thing fired up. And that is do a comparison video. You know, with the iPhone, you're not going to get the real full effect of a video. Those Hooker Blackhearts 3-inch, stainless, they sound amazing, man. This thing sounds like, oh, wow. But I'm curious to see what these are going to sound like, because these things are straight through with something down in there. Let's see if I can get it out. Yeah, you can see I get my whole hand up in there. I can't get it out, but these things go straight through, gang. You can see the going through. They go straight through. I'm curious to see what these are going to sound like. These are from Blackwidow. I'm not sure which ones these are, because I've had these things, gang, when they first dropped them way back in like 2014, somewhere around there. Yeah, I'm not sure which ones these are. Maybe these are the neighbor haters when they first came out. All tone, no harsh drone. Yeah, but these are gonna be for the Malibu. I'm trying to keep the boo as low key as possible, because way back I had tossed around with the idea of running them off the front, you know, but I don't want nobody to know what's about to happen. So if anything's gonna happen, you feel me? But yeah, gang, so let's I don't know if it's gonna start up. Let's see. It's been a minute since I did this, so let's see. All right, well, that was a little sound clip. I might fire it back up and fade it back in. All right, but that's what those sound like. And what we're going to do is we're going to swap those out, put these guys in. I have one more set of Blackwidows, the originals, even before those came out. But I don't think those will fit. Those are 2.5. Same as with these. I've never heard these before, and everybody keeps telling me that those MagnaFlows, they going to sound amazing. So I might just pop one out, and then we can get a comparison, or hit up a little muscle car spot and see if they have an adapter for it. Yeah, see, that's 2-inch. Yeah, see, and then that's 3. Yep, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. Oh, we can try. See, and then see, this one doesn't have the slots to open it up, so we'll see what we can do, gang. We'll give it a shot, see what we can do, but we definitely gonna put on the these guys right here. Definitely gonna get these going, these things, so you can see what I'm talking about. It's the opening. See, that's a 3-inch opening. That'll slip right over the header. And then see this one. See the difference? Yeah, that's not gonna fit over that header collector. We'll see. I might have an adapter in here that can make it work. But yeah, gang, so definitely gonna hook these up. These are some MagnaFlows. I know those are gonna sound real nice. They're gonna be quiet, but then when you get on it, they open up. And then we have another set of Blackwidows over there, and I think those are 2.5 as well. So I'll see what I can do, but we definitely gonna unhook those, hook these up, fire it up, and see what it do. All right, y'all.